Hi, I'm so happy today because YouTube has notified me that I've already reached 1,000 subscribers in my YouTube channel. So, I want to thank everyone who is following me there. And sana kung hindi pa po, mag-subscribe ka na rin sa channel na yon. And I really want to thank you na nakaabot ng ganung milestone yung channel na yun even if the videos are already old. And recently, hindi pa ako nakapag-post ng bagong topics because of a busy schedule, but hopefully sa mga susunod na araw ay makapag-share pa tayo lalo ng mas madami pang topics na pwedeng magamit lalo naman ng mga nagsa-self-review. But this video is intended really for giving away 2 checkpoint notes na pareho pong clinical microscopy. I want to choose clinical microscopy kasi yan yung subject na itinuturo ko po ngayon sa ACTS, and as you have been reading in my previous posts na nagpapaalam na po ako na baka this is gonna be the last season that I will be very active in the teaching community ng ating medical technology profession, because I want to focus more on myself, my family, and my medical career. But I am doing everything that I can para may maiwan ako sa mga ibang students na naghahanap pa ng pwedeng makatulong sa kanila in studying the medical technology course. So, one way is, of course, following my fan page and subscribing to YouTube, because I will be uploading future video tutorials, and I promise na mas aagahan ko. Pagbigyan mo lang akong natapusin yung mga pinagkakaabalan ko ngayon. Anyway, for the checkpoint notes giveaway, I want to invite everyone na interested na magkaroon ng copy po ng clinical microscopy checkpoint notes, original and colored. Sometimes personalized pa. Okay, you just need to join the raffle that will be done using this video. This video is going to be uploaded in YouTube. You have to follow my account on YouTube. Just search for Azirk16 or search for my full name, or just click the link that I will be posting here in the caption. I'm so sorry, galing kasi ako ng lecture, and I just really wanna do this video today because I want, as a way of thanking you, I want to give away 2 copies of clinical microscopy, okay, to 2 different winners. So again, to join, you have to follow my YouTube account and comment in the YouTube posted video. I will be posting this on YouTube, and comment there your names with your titles or titles to be, and please tell me what topic in CM are you really most interested in. Okay, for example, your most favorite is seminalysis. Okay, parang si Judea Marie. Hi, Jude! Anyway, that's it, Yun lang kailangan mong gawin. Walang kahirap-hirap. You just need to subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment with your name and explain what topic you want to, and you will have a chance to win one of the 2 copies of Checkpoint Notes, Clinical Microscopy, shipping already included. So, walang ka-effort. Namimigay ako ng notes nang wala kang gagawin kahit anong effort. Okay? Just subscribing and typing something. Okay? So, I really want to thank you guys for letting me reach 1,000 subscribers. And if ever man na meron po kayong suggestion na topic na pwede natin pag-usapan in the future, at meron akong time na medyo vlogger, baka pwede natin gawa ng video. Okay? Thank you all for supporting me in all the things that I want to do here for the medtech community. And thank you for supporting our checkpoint notes. Sana po original po ang bibilin nating lahat. And yeah, that's it. Alright, thank you guys so much, and I hope and pray that kung ano man yung prepare mo exam or even in your career, makatulong po sa inyo yung mga videos na ina-upload ko. And I wish you all happiness and success, and may you put God in everything that you do. God bless you. Thank you.